Have you ever walked out into your garage and heard your car buzzing like your Honda CRV coming from the back and you're like, what is that sound? And it's been parked for a while. Well, it's actually nothing to worry about, probably. I'll explain. I came out earlier and mine was making that buzzing sound. I actually jumped under there with kind of a okay camera so you could hear the sound. Then I ran and grabbed this and it already quit. And what it's doing is it's creating a vacuum. It's a vacuum pump creating a vacuum in your fuel system. It's just checking and it's making sure the pressure is in the tank, like a reverse pressure, a suction, if you will, and that it's going to hold that vacuum. So as long as it goes off, don't worry about it. It's going to happen every once in a while. This one seems to come on hours later. It's very strange, and I just happened to catch it. So here's the clip so you can see what I'm talking about. You can hear what I'm talking about. You hear that? Let's get under here. Maximus, you helping? And you scooch over, and you listen right there. Turning that plate. It's quite loud. Well, there you have it. Are you relieved that it's not a problem on your CRV? That weird buzzing noise coming from the back? It's nothing to worry about at all. This little Honda CRV has been an awesome rig for us. We love it. It's brought us lots of content for the channel. Some good and some problematic. Like we put a lift on it. You can see that. That was awesome. I really like that. Put a catch can on there. Dealt with the problem of the oil or the fuel in the oil. If you're having issues with that, we put a trailer hitch on the rear where we had to relocate the waveless, is that motionless? I don't know. You know how you open the trunk and you just wave your foot? That thing. All sorts of stuff. Also, some not so fun things like all the lights on this dash, every single warning light that exists coming on. So if you've had that problem, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, go check it out on our videos. Listen, it's Uncle Jake on behalf of Motors of Mischief. We're going to take you out if it's your first time with the fist bump of friendship. It's amazing. We love you. Whoop-ow.